जब से ये वाक़या हुआ बच्चे का, he committed suicide on our campus. So obviously I had to go deep inside myself also and try to understand that where we as University of Lahore have gone wrong, that somebody decided to end his life on campus. And then right away I felt and identified so many different things that I think should have been there, a support system, a way to identify. तो मैंने सोचा कि जब सब बच्चों से हम मिलें तो I should also have a session with the student guild and listen to you also. 3-4 ऐसी चीज़ें आइडेंटिफाई हुई कि जो प्रॉबली इससे पहले फॉर ग्रांटेड हम लेते थे. मैं एक छोटी सी मिसाल दूंगा आप लोगों को कि जब हम स्कूल कॉलेजेस यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में पढ़ते थे तो अगर उस्ताद डांट देता था या थप्पड़ भी मार देता था तो कोई इशू फील नहीं होता था. हमें लगता था कि ये तो इनका राइट है, दे आर लाइक आवर पेरेंट्स. मैंने कभी उस दौर में सुना नहीं था कि यूथ में जो स्कूल कॉलेज यूनिवर्सिटी गोइंग यूथ है उनके अंदर डिप्रेशन हो सकता है. हमें बड़ी एस्पिरेशन होती थी कि वी विल ग्रेजुएट, वी विल स्टडी, विल गो इन द मार्केट, विल परफॉर्म, विल क्रिएट अ फ्यूचर. सो होपलेसनेस का एक वो आइडिया नहीं था. और ये दिस आई एम इमेजिनिंग ऑल ऑफ दिस without knowing actually why he did it. Abhi koi inquiry nahi hui, we haven't met anybody. This is on Saturday and Sunday. And that's when I thought that I should sit with students and probably go deeper and try to understand what we need to do, because we cannot afford ever a repetition of this. And then I read about a lot of universities that went through such issues. There are many case studies, even people have done research as well, how large-scale universities have created systems to manage such students who have any signs of depression or whatever. So ये सारा मेरे ज़हन में, it was running in my mind, and I thought that probably the best forum to go and talk about it is the Student Guild at University of Lahore. I had sessions with students yesterday as well. वो सारे बच्चे emotionally charged थे for obvious reasons, and उसमें एक political touch भी होगा. Some were trying to come up with their leadership status among students. The biggest one of the point that yesterday a kid raised was कि attendance नहीं होनी चाहिए. Why should there be attendance? तो मैंने उससे पूछा कि तुम्हारी अपनी अटेंडेंस क्या है. उसने कहा सर मेरी अटेंडेंस जो है ना वो 50% है, तो देयर इज़ अ चांस कि मुझे एग्ज़ाम में ना बैठने दें. सो वो उसका पर्सनल इशू था. सो देयर वर मैनी स्टूडेंट्स कमिंग विद डिफरेंट इश्यूज, एंड आई सैट विद देम एंड वी डिस्कस्ड, एंड आई ट्राइड टू deal with that situation with humanity. I thought this is not a point where I should sit and talk about administration and authority. And I mean, a kid has lost life, and it's not only that students on the campus were hurt. I mean, I am also hurt deep inside. I mean, 25 years built this institution, more than 100,000 alumni are working in more than 100 countries. It's our graduates are everywhere in the world. Such a thing has never happened. फिर खैर कल इन्वेस्टिगेशन शुरू हुई तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें निकली, और उससे मुझे ये और आई फेल्ट दैट इट इज़ दिस क्राइसिस इज़ बिगर देन व्हाट वी थिंक. एंड व्हाई इज़ दैट इट वाज नॉट अबाउट his attendance, it was not about his fee, nothing to do with his grades also. And that became a bigger worry for me. Then what is the trigger that takes somebody? And slowly, gradually, his roommates came about and started talking about what kind of life he was living, spending 8 hours watching horror films, like, for example, playing zombie games or something. So that's what they're saying. And I said, I mean, آج کل دیر obviously سوشل میڈیا کی اتنی پینیٹریشن ہے کہ بچے اینڈ اپ واچنگ films for hours and hours. So it can happen. Anything can happen. And then I think two very important things came out. Why is it that if he was having a tendency like that, and since he has passed away, I don't want to say anything about that kid anymore. He was somebody's son, like my son. I mean, why should we even think کہ اس میں کوئی ایشو تھا؟ You know, we should accept the blame کہ ہاں پرابلم ہی ہمارے ساتھ ہے. Let's start from this point, that we as an institution have failed to look after a well-being of one of our students. Let that be the first point to begin with. کہ وہ اس جگہ پہنچا جہاں for hallucination or whatever he is doing, he wants to end his life, right? So, and I was talking to some of the students, I said, when you realized that he was not well for whatever reason, why didn't you inform somebody? And the kid said, well, there is no place to inform in case somebody is not well. And I realized that's actually a fact. We have never thought of mental well-being issues before, created by the university or created by the society. It doesn't matter. If the society is creating it, still it's our problem. If the university is creating it for the students, still it's our problem. So ہم اس بچے کو کیوں برا بھلا کہیں نہ. This is our crisis right now. And